Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will talk about why we should use games in teaching young learners and how to use them. Now for adults, games can be a great break or relief from serious work, so games can be supplementary, extra activities. But for children, games are the serious work. So they are an inseparable part of their learning. Fred Rogers stated that play is often talked about as if it were a relief from serious learning, but for children, play is serious learning. Play is really the work of childhood. So if you're teaching children, you can not think of teaching anything without using games. Now, games, if well chosen, are invaluable tools to teach language because, one, they're fun, amusing, and interesting, and two, they are a natural part of the children's world. Three, they provide opportunities for exploring meaningful and useful language in real contexts. Games can be used to practice all language skills and to present or practice language chunks. 4, they encourage cooperation and collaboration. They develop leadership and followership. If teachers use follow the leader type activities in which the leader is constantly changing as a function of the game, learners will learn to value both leadership and followership. 5, games teach children to follow rules. 6, they develop friendship and social relationship. Children come together to exchange ideas, negotiate, and take decisions together. Children, while playing a game, will learn to act as a group, trust each other, share the same goal, aim, and as a result, develop positive group synergy, which is an excellent preparation for the future educational, business, and professional worlds. Children will also learn competition. If the teacher sets the necessary rules and controls the game carefully, children will enjoy winning without hurting the feelings of the losing team. They will experience modesty, being humble. They will also experience losing gracefully. Being a good loser, not a sore one, is an invaluable lesson to learn for children. Now, young learners, as we all know, can get excited and extremely competitive. So, as a teacher, you should be careful to incorporate games in the class at an appropriate time and keep the control of the class. You should always be alert. Make sure that there is no hostility among children because of a game. Our aim is to teach language, help children learn. We don't want to create any negative feelings among students. Now, games can be divided into two: physical action games or cognitive mental games. Now, of course, physical action games require cognitive knowledge or aspect. However, they also involve physical activity, whereas cognitive games are more soothing, settling down kind of activities. So physical or action games can be great warmers. And cognitive games can be great coolers. Now, what do we mean when we say physical or action games? These games are, first of all, extremely useful for coordination, balance, gross motor skills, large movements like crawling, running, walking, and fine motor skills, smaller movements like picking objects up. These games also help children discharge their incredible level of energy. On the other hand, cognitive games are extremely useful for the mental development of children. Children can develop their cognitive skills such as analytical, strategic, creative, and global thinking, concentration, memory, independence, interdependence, and definitely self-reliance. Now, how should we use games in the classroom? Whatever game or whatever type of game you choose or you're planning to use, well, give short and clear instructions. Demonstrate, act it out, show the children how to play it. Use instruction checking questions. And they can answer these questions using total physical response. You can just give the instructions, they can act it out, they can do it. When you start, or when you're just about to start the game, go straight to any group or student that looks confused or is usually slow to catch on, and help them get started. During the game, or when you have just started the game, walk around the class to make sure that everyone is doing the activity more or less correctly. If not, if you notice that they cannot do what you want them to do, stop the activity and repeat the instructions. This time, use a different way of giving the instructions. Another point is make sure you involve all the students at all times. We don't want anyone to think that they are left out. If a student is reluctant to join a game, encourage them without offending or pushing them too much. If the student doesn't want to be a part of the game, no matter how hard you try, ask them to assist you. Maybe they can help you keep the score or be a referee, that kind of thing. So the student will keep feeling as a part of that group. Now, games can be used as pre-activities, while activities, or post-activities. Now, there's one warning that I want to give here. If the instructions of a game is too complex, there are certain things that you can do. One, simplify. Use simple language. Use paraphrases. Use the chunks that children already know. Demonstrate. Physically do it. Show it. Break the instructions into smaller steps. Give them one by one. Lower your speech rate. Don't talk too fast. Shorten the message. Do not give unnecessary explanations. Just simple. Da, 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 da. Full stop. Okay? And repeat key messages. Well, if you feel that none of these work or will work, don't use that game. Find another one. You can keep that game for later stages. We don't want the instructions to beat the game itself, because then you may find yourself finding excuses to switch to L1. Well, the instructions are too complex, so I will give it in Turkish, but then the game will be in English. No, that doesn't work that way. Instruction giving is a part of communication. If you cannot do it in the target language, don't. Well, that's all for this video. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Wish you all the best. Bye.